Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using Sitecontact to create a messenger-based marketing list. Let's get started. Sitecontact allows you to grab leads and broadcast messages to these leads on Facebook Messenger. It is possible to grab your leads on web pages, blogs, or opt-in forms. It's a sure way to get your leads to read and learn about your message. All Facebook users check their Messenger, so there's a greater chance of viewing your broadcast messages. Your leads will not feel that their time is wasted by filling out any forms. Now log into your Sitecontact account. First, you will view the dashboard of your account. The first step that you need to do is to connect to your Facebook page here. Click the button Add FB Pages. You need to log into your Facebook account. Once logged in, you need to give Sitecontact permission to access your account. You can add the pages that you have admin access to. You can select all the pages here, unselect pages not to include, or choose pages to connect with Sitecontact. Now click Next. You will see in this pop-up window what Sitecontact will be allowed to do. You can choose to turn off these options, but it is recommended to enable these options for Sitecontact to work properly. Now click Done. Now you have successfully linked Sitecontact to Facebook. Click OK. All Facebook pages that you have selected will be shown here. Click the Add Page button. Under Options, you can set the welcome message, add sequence, or whitelist your domain. To set your whitelist domain, click on this icon to add the website URL that you want to integrate Sitecontact's plugins, and it will allow Sitecontact to grab leads from the domains that you have added here as people opt in using your plugin. Next, set the welcome message. Whenever a lead signs up, you can set a welcome message to your subscriber. You can include a short thank you message. You can offer free downloads in exchange for them signing up. Then click Submit. Anyone who signs up using your plugin will receive the welcome message first that you have set. When crafting your welcome message, make sure not to send promotional messages or affiliate links, or else Facebook will detect this and you might get banned. There are 4 ways to grab leads. The first is Send to Message plugin. Next is the Customer Chat plugin, Checkbox Plugin, then Message Us plugin. If you need to use the Send to Message plugin, click the Get Code button. You will see the Send to Message plugin code generator. You can choose from the button style color, blue or white. Then choose a button size from small, medium, or large. Then this is the code generated, depending on the options for the button style and button size that you have chosen. Click Copy. You can now add this code to your website to apply the plugin and start getting leads. On your website, this is how the Messenger plugin will show up. When your visitors click on this button, they will receive the welcome message that we have set. If you want to use the Customer Chat plugin, click the Get Code button. This is the Customer Chat plugin code generator. Select the website domain. Below, you can see the preview of the Customer Chat plugin. Copy the HTML code to insert this plugin into your website. This is the Customer Chat plugin integrated into your website. As people click on this icon, they can view a question, "How can we help you?" Then they will receive the welcome message that we have set. If you need to use a Checkbox plugin, click the Get Code button. This is the Checkbox plugin code generator. Choose the website domain. Choose a plugin size from small, medium to large. Copy the HTML code to insert it into your website. Then copy the code to insert the Submit button. When you integrate a Checkbox plugin on your website, the user is required to click on the checkbox to send your welcome message on their messenger. If you need to use the Message Us plugin, under this plugin, you will see a pop-up window showing you the Message Us plugin code generator. Choose the button style, blue or white. Below, you may see the preview of the button style. Then choose the button size from small, medium, or large. Then copy the HTML code to insert the plugin to your website. This is the Message Us plugin integrated on your website. When people click on the Message Us button, they will be redirected to their messenger and receive your welcome message. Next, add sequence. Craft your message in this message field. Once you're done, click Add a sequence. Next, set the days and times when your subscribers will receive your message. 0 days will allow your subscriber to receive it after they have signed up. Now let's go to the Broadcast Message menu. You can craft your broadcast message here. Then add an image, audio, video, or a file from your drive. You can send it now or schedule it for later. If you need to schedule it, click on the calendar field and a pop-up calendar will be shown here. Set the date and time to send this broadcast. Then click Schedule Now. Under the Schedule Messages menu, all the messages that you have scheduled, such as your broadcast message, will be shown here. Under Profiles, you can view all the users who have subscribed and opt-in using the Sitecontact plugins integrated on your website. You can view the number of subscribers, profile image, first and last names, gender, local, and the date they subscribed. You can also have the option to export this list to a CSV file. Under Reports, you can view all the broadcast reports that were sent successfully and the personal message reports that you have sent or scheduled earlier. Under Errors, you can view a list of errors inside this menu showing you what errors you have encountered while posting. You can get more signups on Sitecontact. Optin Rate is 100% since all Facebook users view all the message that they receive on Messenger. If you want to automate the responses from your Facebook page, we have a marketing app that can help you grab leads without an opt-in form and send automated messages that gets near 100% open and click-through rates. It is the first Facebook-based autoresponder that you can find on the market. With Sitecontact, your leads can subscribe to your list without an opt-in form. They can even subscribe with just a click of a button. You can send welcome messages, send message broadcast to reach all your subscribers. You can reach your audience both on mobile device and on their computer. It supports scheduling message broadcast to save you time, so you can send your messages to your subscribers anytime you want. Sitecontact can benefit Facebook advertisers, e-commerce sellers, brands, product vendors, Facebook fan page owners, or even content creators. Sitecontact is perfect for any marketer. Sitecontact allows you to reach the market that you think was only possible with email marketing. To try Sitecontact now, go to the URL getsitecontact.in and start receiving the benefits of Sitecontact to grow your list faster, get better reach, and get more clicks. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.